So, hello and welcome to another lecture in our DeepSeek Llama and DeepSeek Llama and other LLMs using open-webui and ollama. Okay, so far we had covered a lot of things like course overview objectives, then we had covered overview of open-webui, then overview of ollama, then setup installation why choose techlatest.net setup, then setup installation of open-webui with ollama on AWS, on GCP and Azure. Then we had covered ollama command line. Then in this lecture, basically we'll talk about how to download and pull new models in open-webui through ollama. Basically, we'll talk about management interface, version control, and model library access. So let's go on our open-webui user interface. Here you can see the open-webui user interface. And after this, what we have to do, then go on ollama website. If you search here about ollama, so you can redirect if you click on first link. So this is basically the ollama website, and if you click on model, so this is the newly launched model. You can filter according to your preference or according to your choice. So we have some popular models like DeepSeek R1 and Llama 3.354, then Llama 3.2, Llama 3.1. So these are some popular models here. Okay, so if I click on Llama 3.1 and I am selecting 8B. Okay, so this is Llama 3.1 8B. So Llama 3.1 is a new state of art models from Meta available in 8B, 70B, and 405B mat parameters. And if I copy this command, okay, and go on my open web UI user interface. So my open web UI user interface is already running. Then click on this profile button and then click on settings. And after this, click on admin settings. So here you can see some additional settings like connections and models. Okay, so these are some downloaded models. There are 13 models which comes with this VM. Okay, and after this, if I click on this Ollama API, and in Ollama API manage API Ollama API connections. If I click on this button, so these are here you can see using from here you can use API. Basically you have to use model API model IDs and other things. Then if I click on this download button, so here you can see manage Ollama pull a model from ollama.com. So if I paste this command here and replace pull replace run with pull. So here you can see that this is basically the command ollama pull llama 3.1 8b, because we have pulled this model and 8b version of llama 3.1. And after this if I click on this download button, so here you can see the manifest pulling manifesting, and here you can see the model is also starting downloading, and it will take some time, but I'm using very low specs VM specs. If you want faster response, if you want faster downloading, so you can increase your specs VM specs, and you can go for better response also. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Here you can see it completes 94.9%. And after this wait a minute, after this, then here you can see it is completed 100%. And let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, because here you can see the verifying SHA 256 digest. There are some things like which Ollama can do, and models have. Here you can see the message model Llama 3.18b has been successfully downloaded, and success writing manifest. So I am close this button, and if I go on here you can see that Llama 3.1 8b 8.0 billion parameter model is here. And if I am searching on who are you, this is just the general question I am asking for this the demo purpose. So it will bit slower because I am artificial intelligence model Llama, known as Llama, stands for large language model, Meta AI. So this is the answer. And yeah, here you can see like how you can pull models from Ollama through open-webui. And here like we'll see like how you pull the models directly from ollama on open-webui. Now this is the last method, one of the most simplest method. You have to do nothing. Simply you go on ollama website and search about any model. Okay, in model section you can find lot of models. Then simply From here you can copy this Ollama run tiny LLM, or simply you can also search about tiny uh, tiny uh, llama tiny llama. So this is the model name, and simply you can click on pull tiny llama from ollama.com, and you have, once you have click on it, so here you can see that it is started downloading, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes. And here you can also see the messages that verifying model tiny llama has been successfully downloaded. So if you uh, see this drop down button, so here you can see that we have tiny llama latest version. So I am asking some question, help me study below. Okay, so this is the basic question, and let's see what's the response. So here you can see that it will give response, and yep, like how it works. Basically, this is one of the most simplest method, and it's the last method to pull any model in open-webui through llama. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.